Now, Legal Insight, brought to you by John Bales Attorneys.
Hello, I'm attorney John Bales, and today I'd like to give you some legal insight into mesothelioma. According to the National Cancer Institute, mesothelioma is a cancer of the membrane that lines the abdominal cavity and internal organs, which can be evidenced by an accumulation or thickening of fluid that fills the chest or abdomen. Unfortunately, there is no known cure. There are between 2,000 and 3,000 reported cases of mesothelioma in the United States every year. Experts say that most people who develop mesothelioma have worked on jobs where they inhaled asbestos particles. Asbestos is a generic name given to a group of minerals that have been used for decades in thousands of commercial products, including cement, brake linings, floor products, and insulation. The United States Department of Health and Human Services has classified asbestos as a known human carcinogen, which means it causes cancer. Some of the most common symptoms include loss of appetite, shortness of breath, persistent coughing, chest pain, lower back pain, and difficult swallowing. Symptoms of the disease may not appear until 30 or even 50 years later. Some of the most common jobs in which workers were exposed were in the heating and construction industries and shipyard workers. There is evidence that family members and others living with asbestos workers have an increased risk of developing mesothelioma as well. This risk may be a result of exposure to asbestos dust brought home on the clothing and hair of asbestos workers. Remember, you do have rights. If you or a loved one have been diagnosed with mesothelioma, you could be entitled to compensation and should call me at 1-800-CALL-JOHN. If you have a topic you'd like me to discuss here, call me or go to our website, johnbales.com, and click on Legal Insight.
Legal Insight is brought to you by John Bales Attorneys. Announcer is non-lawyer spokesperson.